What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, it may be something that's a little bit different. Trying to go through like newer positions or positions with potential. Every time I, mention one of these, I'm trying to find the next big play, which is very difficult to do because there's so many different cryptocurrencies that are out there, so many different sectors, types, likeness, colors, just so many different things that lead to whether it's going to be popular, whether it's going to have their level of volume, whether the popularity is going to fall off, just all of these different things. But if you could find a way to be successful in making money within the process of having these positions, you can then have more money to throw towards other opportunities that could potentially be an even larger play. But let's talk about a couple of plays that have potential, that are a little bit early stages, and that you guys maybe could see a push from, right? So first, guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. And don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys are interested in, Margex trading and leverage trading, this is a platform to do it. Low fees, it's very simple to understand. They have the best charting that you could possibly have within a platform. And I've had so much success within there, even just gaining on one position, which is Jasmine Coin, let alone, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and BTC and ADA and all of these others that I've gained a decent amount of money on, as well as a large amount of money on. Feel free to check out my links for Margex down below. But let's go ahead and get into this. I want to preface this video by saying that these are all positions that I've actually talked about before. Don't necessarily own every single one, but I have talked about them before in other videos or different content. And the reason why I've done that, it's not brand new, but it may be brand new to you. So first, let's start with a position that I talked about maybe, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, and it's Croak. Life is better when Croak. This is a frog coin, which does have a level of popularity. We all know that, these frog coins can potentially push to way higher levels. We saw what's happening with Pepe. If you want to go through the Croconomics, you have 75% DEX liquidity, 15% eFrog airdrops. Then you have team wallet, you have marketing wallet, you have listings wallet and how much they're going to have there, and no taxes on it. So if you go over to the chart really quick, we do have to go over a couple, so I want to go through it here. If you go over to the chart really quick, Croak is sitting at a level of $2.3 million market cap with $435,000 worth of liquidity. You're also seeing $2 billion or 2 billion of circulating supply that is out there. 100% of the circulating supply is out there. $21,000 worth of volume. So definitely the volume has to be picked up a little bit, but that comes with a more popular time in the market. When you see the bullish time or altcoin season, that could potentially be something that ends up pushing to a whole nother level. It's currently up to 0.66% on the day. But the reason why I say that this could have potential is all about the frog aspect to it, right? We see what's up with Pepe. We see what's up with Bohm. We see what's up with, Pepe. We see all these other plays that are frog-related coins that see a massive push, and hopefully you can see that push continue. And if you get close enough to the altcoin season, you end up seeing that push a lot more. So again, I'll provide all these links down below if you guys want to check out the websites. I'll provide one for Croak and all the other positions just to kind of preface the rest of this video. But the next position that I want to talk about is, again, another position that we've mentioned, which is Super Trump, right? Super Trump is the reason why I decided to go with this instead of like MAGA, which I do have. Is MAGA's already at like a $400-500 million market cap. While it still has potential, I think this is sitting at a lower market cap to where you can see that potential, you can see that rise. And the reason why I say this is not because of, maybe everything that it stands for. That's not the idea. But what it is showing me is the fact that you can see the connection to the debates, the connection to the election, and see this push up to another level. Currently, it's sitting at a $22.8 million market cap with $2.9 million worth of volume. I think that this definitely has potential to have tens or hundreds of millions of dollars worth of volume and really push up to a way higher level within that time frame of the election happening, right? Within the debates, within things that are trending, with if Donald Trump is trending, you're going to see that this starts to push, and a lot of other election coins start to push as well. So that's where I stand with this. I think that can go a lot further than where it stands here. Literally hundreds of millions of dollars worth of market cap, maybe even billions at these levels. Now, the next position that I wanted to talk about, since we're talking about elections, is Joe Biden coin. This is a position that I bought kind of out of the blue, and the reason why I bought this was just because I had MAGA Trump, and I wanted to get something else that was kind of on the other side, right? I'm not for or against one side. I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh, I'm for, Donald Trump or for Joe Biden or against Donald Trump or against Joe. I'm pro good idea. If you have a great idea, if you're for crypto, if you're for these different things, I'm pro that. But when it comes to making money in the crypto market, you know that a lot of these, what we would call meme coins, can potentially run based on these larger bits of news that come out. And Joe Biden coin has already given me a decent amount of a return, but it's still sitting at a low market cap. If we look at Joe Biden coin, it's sitting at a $7.4 million market cap. It's already given me so much, even at a $7.4 million market cap, and currently seeing $2 million worth of volume. Volume to market cap ratio is 27%, showing that this does have a lot of volume compared to the market cap that's out there, meaning that the market cap should be a lot higher. So I'm definitely excited about this one. I think this can go a lot further than where we stand. You want to make sure you invest at the right time. If it is a lower point, it's definitely lower than what it was at the high, but it has a lot more potential even past that high level that's there. And the last play that I wanted to talk about was GME. If you don't know what's going on with GME or what happened with GameStop, you need to get familiar with that, with the hedge funds and shorting and aggressively shorting and trying to bankrupt GME and just all the manipulation that happens over there, to where we stand right now with GME and the community and how the community transitions over here or pushes over here. I feel as though you're going to see that push as you see GME push. You're going to see that push, but you're also going to see the push when you see altcoin season. Not only when you see GME that makes a move, you're going to see that when we see altcoin season as well, because this is a very popular position. And even though this is the highest market cap that we're talking about here today, I still believe it has a lot more potential than where it stands, just based on the meme connection, the community connection, and the push that we have for investors, retail investors, gaining a lot more fuel and fire to pump GME again and take away from these hedge funds gaining whatever they want to gain. But it's at a $57 million market cap with $43 million worth of volume, showing a 77% volume to market cap ratio. Absolutely great ratio. We know that it has a lot of strength. We know that this will push. It's currently up 22%, and I've already gained a lot with GME. I think I've gained $20,000+ in realized gains, and I'm currently still sitting on like a good $10,000 or $15,000 that's sitting in there. So definitely have gained a lot within this position, and I think it could go a ton further. So anyways, those are positions that I wanted to talk about. That's definitely not it. There's a lot of other ones that have a lot of potential, but these are altcoins that you might want to just keep an eye on, ones that I've looked at, ones that I've talked about, and hopefully they all end up making a large move in the end. But if you have any that you think are great plays, feel free to put them down below. Don't spam anything, because if you do, I will delete the comment. But the point is I want you guys to find newer plays that maybe you want to take a risk on. It's not necessarily throwing a $40,000 into something, but maybe $100, maybe $50, and seeing what it could be from a $1 market or $1 million market cap up to $100 million. Because if you do that, you're not only looking at a $500 price point from $50 to 10x, $500, you're looking at 100x, which would get you to $5,000 off a $50 investment. Those are the type of plays that you want to have, and that can change your idea of investing and turning more money, some money into more money. But guys, let me know what you think about this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my link for Margex down there, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.